Japanese soju production begins with high-quality rice, barley, or sweet potatoes sourced from certified farms. These ingredients are cultivated with care, embodying the tradition and quality that define authentic soju. Japanese soju brewing uses purified water carefully tested for mineral balance. The mineral levels are optimal. Kisses taste of premium ready. These K7 and K10 strains show promising efficiency. We select based on high CO2 output and alcohol tolerance. Now, scaling up ensures optimal soju quality. Verifying tank safety. Pressure logs are up to date. Bottling materials, seals and labels are compliant. All verifications complete. This batch is cleared for production. Japanese soju production begins only after all ingredients pass quality inspection. Each component is rigorously checked to ensure the highest purity. Only then does the meticulous production process begin. These cooled grains are ready for the koji mold. We sprinkle the spores evenly and mix gently. This starts the fermentation for our soju. マッシュをタンクに移送開始。
了解。バルブを開きます。
流量は順調です。このバッチは完了です。Now we add the Japanese soju yeast to start the fermentation. This activates the yeast, which will convert the sugars into alcohol. You can already see the bubbling begin. Japanese soju fermentation temperature is controlled for optimal flavor.
We maintain 28 degrees Celsius.
This precise control ensures every batch is exceptional.
今日もしっかり発酵してるな。比重系の数値は順調だ。1.050。アルコール度数も上がっている。よし、記録を更新しておこう。
In Japanese soju fermentation, enzymes convert starches from rice into fermentable sugars. This process forms these sugars into characteristic smooth flavor and aroma. The fermented mash bubbles, its alcohol rising steadily. A hydrometer is inserted to test the specific gravity. It reads 1.050. The ideal content begins.
This is the first distillation fraction. We separate the cloudy foreshots to remove impurities. This ensures the final spirit is pure.
Japanese soju starts at a high strength, like 40% alcohol. We measure the strength with a hydrometer. To adjust, we add purified water for a balanced result.
The soju is now entering the multi-stage filtration process. This removes impurities for enhanced clarity and smoothness. Observe the crystal clear result, refined to perfection.
Sealed with an airtight cap for ultimate freshness. Pouring smoothly, ensuring every drop is pure. Resealing is effortless, locking in quality.
Pallets of Japanese soju, all accounted for. Securing the load on the upper rack.
Japanese soju batch numbers ensure full traceability. Every bottle is tracked from production to your hands. Scan the code for instant access to its history. Trust in every sip. Japanese soju distribution complies with strict alcohol control regulations. Bottles feature mandatory needkomfons. This upholds public safety and regulatory standards.
Soju delivery.
Over here, please.
Japanese soju begins as a carefully distilled spirit. Every batch undergoes rigorous testing to ensure purity.
This is our finest Japanese soju. I'll take it. It looks perfect.